Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing today? Happy new week to you all. Yeah, it's new week and yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my egg sauce and yam. Okay, what I'm going to be using is tomatoes, onions, spring onions, and scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm going to be using my garlic powder, um onions powder, and a lot curry, thyme, and all that. Okay, so this is another way which I prepared my egg sauce. So there are I sometimes I do prepare my egg sauce without anything, like I will just use normal vegetable. Okay, but this one I'm not going to use vegetable on it. Then what I do is dice my onions into pieces. After that, I go ahead and slice my tomatoes. Okay, then after slicing my tomatoes, I'm going to keep it aside. Then slice my spring onions. I'm going to keep it aside as well. Okay, so guys, how are you all doing today? Have you subscribed to this page, or have you followed me? Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my page, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on this page as well. Okay, then after that, I'm going to slice my yam. I have this smallest, I'm going to be using this smallest yam because I have yam that I brought it out of freezer. You know, we that lives in Europe, normally when you buy a lot of yam, you just peel them and store them in your freezer. So that is why you are seeing some yams are black and some are white. Okay, yeah, so because I brought those ones out of the freezer. Okay, then after that, I'm going to op- uh, just going to add my egg. Yeah, I'm going to be using, like, I use 6 pieces of egg. You can still use any pieces of egg that you want. I don't want this egg to be too much because I have beans at home that we are going to be using for the yam. That's why I make this small egg, because you see this egg, if you like make 100 egg, it goes still small. So the first thing I did, I added my onions and my scotch bonnet pepper. I leave it to steam for 1 minute. Then after that, I add my tomatoes. After adding my tomatoes, I cover it as well to steam for 1 minute. Then I opened again. I had every ingredient, which is I had my thyme, I had my curry, I had chipolo, I had alio, which is garlic. Okay, so guys, I'm so sorry because sometimes we made mistake of you calling in English, you call in Italy, because we live in Italy. It has mastered us, so that's why sometimes before you now come and remember the name in English is very difficult. Okay, yeah. Then after that, I'll just stir together, allow it to cool, like leave it for like 1 or 2 minutes. Then the next thing that I added is my spring onions. After adding your spring onions, just remove it from the gas. Your food is ready. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to follow this page, okay? And I'm going to be see you all on my next video. Bye, guys.